There we go, Ben. Where's your brother? Bear, we got an episode to do. Come on. We're grilling with the good dogs. This time, we're going to be grilling inside on a cast iron skillet. And what are we doing? Some delicious tuna. Now, I'm kind of fusing an Ahi tuna and Sesame-Crusted tuna dish together. What you're going to need, I'm going to use a little bit. I don't want to use it. I don't like mixing up too many flavors in the food, but we'll have it on there. Of course, some garlic. I have more than it's recommended, but hey, I got like 6 cloves here. Got some soy sauce. You're going to want a 1/4 cup of that. Extra virgin olive oil, again, 1/4 cup. And some toasted sesame. And then, what is this? 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Now, you should use a sesame oil. I don't have any. I read that this will do just fine. And of course, you know, the sesame seeds for the crusting. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mix everything up in this bowl. We're going to pour it in here. And then this is going to be the marinade. Then we're going to put the tuna in here. I'm going to let it sit on one side for probably about 45 minutes to an hour. Flip it over on the other side for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then we're going to throw it on the skillet when it's hot, hot, hot. With some olive oil in the skillet. And it's going to be, I need to check, I think it's like 30 seconds on each side. Really quick. That's how you're going to keep this nice pink center and have a good crust around the outside of it. Look, this should be a quick video. I'm really excited for it. I love tuna. I love Ahi tuna. I love Sesame-Crusted tuna. So let's get started grilling with the good dogs. Damn, I love that logo. That's proud right there. Got the garlic in there. Here comes some of the soy sauce. Next we gotta do some olive oil. I don't think I usually show mixing the ingredients and stuff like that, so I thought I'd try it this time. I got some lemon juice. I'm gonna need both hands for that. So let's put some sesame seeds in there just to get that party started. Come on, dang it. Some of that in there. Again, I don't really want the ginger in there, but it's part of the recipe. I'm gonna try it. Just gonna give it a few little puffs. Ugh, in the nose. Oh God. Okay, let's get the lemon juice in there. Remember, a tablespoon. All right, the tuna's in the Pyrex. Here's a mixture. Pour it there. Lift this bad boy up. Let it get all underneath there. That over, okay. Get a little more love on that one. All right, like I said, it is 11:30 right now. We're gonna let that sit for an hour, just like the good dogs. You excited, huh, Klein? You love tuna. Do you, Klein? Do you, Klein? Baby Gee? Chef Corkle? All right. It's been about an hour. Let's flip these bad boys. Now, I have not been keeping them in the refrigerator, because you may or may not know, when things are cold, it's looking pretty good. The colder it is, the less chemical reaction there is. The less chemical reaction, the less marinating and taste transfer we get. So I just keep them out right there. Like I said, another hour. It's 12:30 right now. So we'll come back at 1:30 and get ready to put them on the skillet. Grilling with the good dogs. There's Chef Kleinbear, Chef Cork. And there's the logo. All right, so we got the fire on the skillet. Let that get hot. Now we need to take these and embed the sesame seed into them. I don't know how well this is gonna do. I'm gonna flip that over one more time. Get the other side nice and juicy. Just like that. Press it in. And look at that. It's got a pretty good amount on there. Don't know how well that's gonna stay, but better than nothing. I need to put more seeds on there. I'll get the other one ready. I'm getting that skillet up to temperature. Remember, hot, 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 hot. We got to put some olive oil on there, and yeah, Get ready to get going. It's gonna be so good. Grilling with the good dogs. As you can see, it's starting to smoke up pretty good with that olive oil. Might have to turn on the vent fan here in a second. And again, it's only like 30 seconds aside, so get ready to throw those on there. There you go. Those 2 sesame crusted right there. Yeah, let's get ready to do this. Grilling with good dogs. Seared Ahi, Sesame-Crusted Tuna. Should be good. Let's get a little hotter, a little bit hotter. I want it really hot, hot, hot. I got the vent fan on, so here we go. Dropping bomb number 1. Gonna drop bomb number 2. 30 seconds. Ooh, you can smell it. It smells pretty dang good. Cooking sesame seeds everywhere. That's just about got it. Let me put down the phone so I can flip this stuff. All right, flip it to the other side. 20 more seconds left here. What I'm going to do, when that's over, I'm going to remove it from the heat. Well, I'm going to turn off the heat, remove it from the heat, and then I'll take them out. I want to try and do everything safely. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the heat's off. Moving it there. Fan on for a second. I'm going to get those out of there, put them on a plate so we can cut them up. All right, that's going to be a little bit of cleanup later. It's not too bad, but those seeds wanted to get liberated a bunch. So as you can see, it came out fantastic. Probably could have done a little more on this side, but I think that's pretty good. And it actually stays together pretty well. So let's dip some soy sauce in right there. Yummy, yummy. That's good. These are pretty thick pieces. Need some wasabi. Definitely need some wasabi. All in all, really good. Really good stuff, Klein Bear. I don't know if dogs can have sesame seeds. I don't know if I'm going to give you any. I'll give you a treat later, though. That's been grilling with the good dogs. That was good. Hey guys, it's me, the Fat Dad. Just want to let y'all know, I hope y'all are enjoying the videos here on YouTube. But if you want to see more, we actually have a Snapchat where you'll see a lot more of the uncut stuff. The final product is what ended up on YouTube, but a lot of bloopers, mistakes, and experiments happen on Snapchat, so check us out there. You can find that on our Instagram page, where if you follow our Instagram, you'll see candid pictures of the dogs, throwback pictures, and a little bit about each one of the recipes that we put up here on YouTube. So give that a try. That's Grilling with the Good Dogs on Instagram. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching the videos.